try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right girl, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on the video, and please, if you're brand new, subscribe. Just hit the button, it says subscribe. Hit it, that way you can save a few videos in the future and probably watch the previous ones as well. Today we're going to talk about something that's very controversial. Something that a lot of people don't want to talk about, but it's in the universe where we will talk about it. We will talk about this as grown adults, and I anticipate your comments in the comment section just to see what you guys think about it. But is Ten Hag cooking something for Mason Greenwood? Is he really cooking something for Mason Greenwood? Now, you know how Manchester United played last year and basically half of the year before. Marcus Rashford was crap. It was absolute shit. He wasn't playing well. He came back from the injury in the summer. About October time, we thought, all right, he's gonna kick on because he's no injury free. He just played like crap all season. And one started to think, is this the time for Marcus Rashford to move on? Is it time for PSG to come and put some money in and let him go because he's just not playing well, and rather than have him play one game this season and then just leave on a free? But then Ten Hag came in, and I don't know what that man did. He said it wasn't a miracle worker. This man is probably really Harry Potter, because he's made Ten Hag has made Marcus Rashford the footballer we all wanted him to be, the footballer we requested him to be. He made him the footballer. And the wing down the middle, he's just scoring left, right, and center. His best goal this season is from the right hand side when he dribble past 4 or 5 people and score. And that's on the right hand side at the foul line. Listen, he has been brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. We saw it again with Jadon Sancho. Jadon Sancho started off the season very well under Ten Hag. You thought this is going to be a brilliant season for Jadon Sancho. But then after, difficulties with his health, because I remember him going on the trip to Spain, it didn't show up on the roster. I was like, what's going on? They said he was ill, and since then it's just been down. He got the news that he wasn't going to make the World Cup team, and he's just been down. His aunt died, and he's just been down. Then he cancelled his social media. I was like, what's going on with Jadon Sancho? And it looked like he was having a mental breakdown with all the, everything that happened with his family, his football going down the hill. It's just a bad day for Jadon Sancho back in October. And what did Jadon Sancho do? What did Ten Hag do? Ten Hag put him out of the team. 75 million you pay for him now? Ten Hag take him out of the team. After the World Cup, put him in coaching over in Holland. Just let him train and develop himself and focus on himself. And I don't know, fam. I don't know. But since then, Jadon Sancho has been, it's only been 2 games. So we can't say that it's a fresh year. A very good footballer so far. And I'm looking forward to seeing him play the next game and the next game. But Jano, what a performance has been for Jadon Sancho so far. So the question that we have to ask ourselves is Ten Hag cooking something up for Mason Greenwood? We all know that the charges were dropped. We all know that he can't be charged for rape anymore. So is he really about to set up something for Mason Greenwood? Now, this just in yesterday, saying Mason Greenwood has been in contact with Manchester United manager Ten Hag for the first time since the charges against him was dropped. Mason Greenwood has been in contact with Manchester United manager for the first time since the charges were dropped. Listen to that, man. Asking him how he's doing, how is his health doing, is he staying fit? Asking him all the right questions, because listen, if Manchester United come back and say Mason Greenwood is good to go, and you talk to the female team, you talk to the men's team, and you say yes, he's good to go, forgive and forget, and that man can come back and play within a month or 2. That's an addition to the team that we already have, the strike force that we already have. Listen, people, listen. If that's not a plus, I don't know what is. I do not know what is, fam. I do not know what is. Listen, Listen, hey, I am looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to see what Mason Greenwood will be able to do at Manchester United once he gets back into the team. Eric Ten Hag, get your apron, get your pot, start cooking, start cooking. People, make sure you drop a like on the video and subscribe right down there so if you're brand new. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.